Hi guys! Welcome sa Math Easy. Today's topic is arithmetic mean. Meron tayong dalawang formula at explore natin kung alin na mas madaling gamitin na formula. Tara! The problem is, insert 3 arithmetic means between 4 and negative 8. So the first term is 4 and the last term is negative 8 at mag-insert tayo ng tatlong arithmetic means between them. Gagawin natin, isulat lang natin yung given having 4 at first term at mag-insert tayo ng tatlong arithmetic means and the last term is negative 8. Isulat natin yung mga given. A sub 1 is 4 and then A sub n, yung last term is negative 8. And then yung n natin, yung total number of terms is we have 5 total number of terms. And kung napapansin nyo, common difference is missing. At meron akong dalawang method o formula na pwedeng i-share sa inyo para makuha ang common difference. At kayo bahala kung anong mas komportable sa inyo, yan yung gamitin nyo. Unahin natin ang formula na to. So we have D is equals to A sub n minus A sub 1 over n minus 1. Ang A sub n natin dito guys, yung last term which is negative 8. Magda-direct substitution lang tayo. Minus A sub 1, that will be our first term which is 4. And then n minus 1 sa denominator at ilalagay natin is 5 because we have 5 given terms. And then minus 1. At yun, simplify na natin yung numerator and denominator. So negative 8 minus 4 is negative 12 over 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. And then we divide negative 12 by 4 and the answer is negative 3 kasi unlike sign sila. So meron tayong common difference na negative 3. And that will be the answer for the first formula. Ngayon gamitin natin yung pangalawang formula. At gagamitin natin ang general formula for arithmetic sequence. A sub n is equals to A sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. At magda-direct substitute lang tayo. A sub n is equals to negative 8. A sub 1 is equals to positive 4 plus the quantity n minus 1, n is equals to 5 minus 1 times the common difference d. At dito, magpapatuloy lang tayo sa pag-solve. Negative 8 is equals to 4 plus 5 minus 1 is equals to 4 times d. And then, magta-transpose tayo ng positive 4. Magiging na siyang negative 4 dito sa kabila ng equal sign. So, magiging siya negative 8 minus 4 is equal to 4d. And negative 8 minus 4 is equals to negative 12. And then, we divide both sides by 4 kasi yan yung katabi ng variable d. So, 4d divide 4, cancel it out. So, magiging na lang yan d. And negative 12 divided by 4 is equals to negative 3. At kung napansin nyo, same yung nakuha nating common difference at pwede natin makuha ang arithmetic means ng between 4 and negative 8. At mag-add lang naman tayo ng negative 3 dito sa mga terms sa arithmetic sequence. Ngayon, unahin natin ang A sub 2. Makukuha natin ang A sub 2 by simply adding A sub 1 by the common difference negative 3. So, ilagay lang natin siya dyan. So, A sub 2 is now equal to 4 plus negative 3. And the result is, yun, magsasubstitute lang tayo. And the result is positive 1. So, A sub 2 will now become 1. At para makuha natin ang A sub 3, same lang yung gagawin natin. Si A sub 3, magiging na siyang equal A sub 2 plus the common difference D. Kumbaga, mag-a-add lang tayo ng negative 3 doon sa previous term. So, A sub 3 is equals to 1 plus negative 3. So, magkakaroon tayo ng negative 2. And that will be our A sub 3. And that is negative 2. Now, dito naman tayo sa A sub 4. A sub 4, mag-add lang tayo ng negative 3 dun sa previous term na A sub 3. So, A sub 3 is equals to negative 2 plus negative 3, the common difference. And makakaroon tayo ng result na A sub 4 is equals to negative 5. At yun, kompleto na ang ating arithmetic means o kompleto ng ating arithmetic sequence.